combining beans today. Just gotta get a little bit done. Yeah. We're gonna load up the truck at the gravity and get the semi filled up. We're loading her up right now. We're filling her up. We'll get that unloaded. He's camera shy. Bentley! Come back! Froggy! Get out of the cow poop! Froggy! Get out of the cow poop! Oh, let's see, this is most of the bales I got left. We about sold them all, Bentley. These ones I'm gonna rebale, because I think they're not fit for customers. These ones are tight though. Like, you can't even poke your finger in there. Ugh. Them things are packed. Tell you what. Right, Bentley? Yeah. Right. This is a day in the life of a grain cart operator. You sit here and you drive home after you're full, you unload, you come back and you sit here and you do it all more day. There's a line filling up the truck. We're filling her up. Getting these beans in here. He's harvesting way over there. This is the first process, the first part of the process. I'm gonna rebale some bales that are kind of messed up where the rows just weren't thick enough, so I'm rebaling a bunch of them, probably about 20-ish, 25. We're gonna dump them right here. Get them in a nice little line. Get the baler and go at it. Just like that. Get these ones loaded up. Probably 2 more loads. And then I'll string them out. Hook that up to the baler. And we'll bale it. Just dropped off his food. Back to baling. I got the baler on the loader tractor. This all strung out. We're gonna try to make some bales, see how it goes. So, yeah. Well, we're having some troubles, as you can see. My theory is I think that knotter's all knotted up. See how that one looks like that? Right there. That looks like that. That one doesn't look like that. That's the issue, I think. And it was just that first bale that got messed up and it just kept getting worse. So, poundage wise, these suckers are thick. I might push these back one or, yeah, probably just one. Other than that, I'm getting a knife. We'll get it done. That's more like it. We figured her out. We got this sucker working. And hey, I really like this big old tractor, so y'all should subscribe so I can get me one. I mean, I'd have to have every single one of you to subscribe to do it, but shoot, it's got that digital stuff. No, this is my grandpa's tractor, but look at them bales. Nice and square. Oh, that one's not. Well, we got that one figured out, right? Well, I'd say that's mission success. Definitely. Mission success. Well, I'm back to grain carting. It's hot in here. We'll get her back. Just a little bit of a tight squeeze back here with these duals on. We'll get it though. We'll get it. Hey, Bailey, is your battery dead? It's soybeans.